Hi, everyone! Today we're sharing an installation video for Dazuma's LED Pendant Ring Ceiling Light. The package includes one large bag of accessories. It contains 2 mounting screws, 2 screw sleeves, 3 suspensions, cable clamps, 3 suspension cable rings, and 1 product top cover. 1 white circular lampshade, 1 LED pendant light ring-shaped ceiling light, 3 suspension ropes, 1 set of product wires. First, attach 1 suspension tube to the top cover. Then attach 1 suspension ring to the back of the top cover. That completes the installation of 1 set. Next, install the remaining 2 sets. Next, attach the 3 suspension ropes to the top cover. Thread the rope through here. That's it. 1 suspension rope is now installed. Using the same method, install the remaining 2 suspension ropes. Install the white diffused light diffuser into the LED pendant ring ceiling light. Next, connect the product's wires to the push-on quick-to-connect terminals you have provided. Thread the other end of the product's wire through the top cover. First, manually insert the 2 mounting screws into the 2 holes in the top cover. Then use an electric drill to tighten the 2 mounting screws. Next, connect the bottom of the pendant bracket to the groove on the back of the LED pendant ring ceiling light. Please follow our installation instructions. Attach the push-on terminal block you provided to the other end of the product's wiring. Connect the push and quick connect terminals you have provided to the wires on the LED pendant light. Next, adjust the top suspension ropes to level the unit. Tuck the top drawstring up. Product installation complete. Dazuma, your best lighting butler.